Trump wrote on his Truth Social platform, accompanying a photo of the four leaders walking, "Looks like we lost India and Russia to a much deeper and darker China. I wish them a long and prosperous future together." Trump also exploded on social media late Tuesday night, U.S. time, as television footage aired of Chinese leader Xi Jinping hosting the authoritarian leaders of Russia and North Korea during a stunning military parade in Beijing. A White House official told CNN that Trump's comments came a day after he suggested during a meeting of world leaders on Thursday that Europe should stop buying Russian oil and apply economic pressure on China to try to end the war in Ukraine, where the U.S. administration appeared to hold its allies accountable for taking greater responsibility for ending the conflict. Your support encourages us to explore everything new. Follow the channel on social media platforms. Share the channel with your friends and colleagues, and we will provide you with everything new and useful.